So 5:40 in the morning. I'm gonna do my run. Gonna try to. The 5 miles didn't hit it last night. Then after the run, the wife wants cinnamon rolls, so I'll walk over to Tyler's Donuts to get that, and then more homework and what have you. So we'll see how this goes today. Yeah. So finished. Still going. Got 4 miles in. Walking out to get the cinnamon roll from my wife. Everyone's on that morning grind to get to work. That sucks. It's traffic on traffic on traffic. That's the worst. Oh, this is my final day off before I have to get back to work. Feel pretty good. We'll see you until next time. Go out to have a belated anniversary eat. Not really dinner, but later today that's on the agenda. Just look at this long line of cars. It's traffic. Trying to avoid the freeway traffic. Ugh, the worst. It's long. This guy's just doing his thing. You know, just making extra lanes. We're good. No problem. Look at that. Here we are going to lunch. We're gonna hit up Red Robin, then run a bunch of errands. This is like our super belated anniversary meal.
Our anniversary was on the 23rd of July.
Yeah, and we in August, so here we are.
That's why I was so pissed last time. They were like chicken strip.
Yeah. I'm now in the elevator of Target. Why is it that my wife has to touch every piece of clothing before she feels satisfied that she has completed her search? I first thought that masculinity was super fragile and that these were geared towards only men. But then there's a lady right there. There's a bunch of ladies, but I first thought it was like, oh, masculinity is so fragile, we need black boxes. So, back home, about to do some work on the stroller wheels. I got WD-40 right here. This is what's causing us issues. Not sure if we got some janky stroller or not. I'm sure it's probably not. I don't know. We took it on a dirt track and probably messed up some part of it. So, shake can well. So we'll see if this helps. I don't know, some of the wheels stick a little, so we'll see. Alright, first part, let's do shaking can well. Little spray. Little spray. And inside here. Inside here. Alright, now let that dry. We'll see how that goes. Not sure how well that will do. Let's do a little bit more right here. If not, I got a whole can to do this. Now, sit, relax, and drink some coffee. Look at that dog. That dog just sitting on my dolphin's blanket. So, we're going to round off the day with a movie night, Detective Pikachu. I was going to buy it at Target, but the wife was like, we don't need to buy it, we can rent it. And then after this, it's When Harry Met Sally.